You're confident in yourself, innit? Select a guess. What the chocolate together? To make me jump like I was such a book. Omwami come kanye. So, the water not cool out. So, Omwami she says, I'll tell her to again. Auntie, what about Chris Evanz? What about you? Ofina mwanaji Uganda, baby toka Uganda. Bija kusito. Batari bagamwe kasata chokuka tugende. Ori takala na yamanya tabawala. So malava. Daja biti. Daja kukume. Kati kungere yo baby. Ewa. Now keep my love VIP. Ignorance, what's up on you, what's up? Feeding in Balabawasa. I used to put some kind of love. Let me take a Kula was a Dubia, and I know you're having it to Savato. What's in Baba Kubenyako? Uganda for now. Oh, I'm gonna love you better than Japutu Kirisa Jayoko. Kankaya Ringe. No wonder what you do. That's a go get you, baby. Freedom sitting at tea. Straight away. You keep me with it. Every time you know. You're not deceived, you know. Kuba kufa. Abana letu uli wali watu gazeti. Mama. Come on, take away this. Chini chichelu. Omuchi Ulira muri Kunde mubi Abachala mwekenya Ngampye Yes, I'm in need of love. Give it to me, right? What of it? What do you do? What do you come on here for Lingisa? I don't go something it is. Every to be tea. Say, once a set up. I'm in text together. Sure, I feel it. Love. One more time, kada bobo chala wa kutuga. Nakugana manza kutamanya. Say, sheri one day. Toti wanka. Kachi isi kabulana. Amachala siba uya together.
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukizo mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino 0702 104 125 oba 0755 311 731 oba 0777 23 405. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.